Hi. The Mirror Modifier in Blender is used to create symmetrical models quickly and easily. It saves time by letting you model only one side while the other side updates automatically. This is perfect for faces, characters, vehicles, and more. Now let me show you how it works using a cube. I added a cube to the scene and pressed Tab to enter Edit mode. From the Modifier panel, I added the Mirror Modifier. To create a copy of this face along the Y-axis, I pressed the E key to extrude. Then I selected Face Select from the top. As you can see, it automatically created a mirrored copy on the Y-axis. Now let's do the same for the X-axis. If I want the mirror to work on the X-axis, I just need to enable X in the Mirror Modifier. If I want to delete this face and its mirrored copy, I can press Delete and choose Faces. As you can see, both sides are deleted together. The use of the Mirror Modifier can vary depending on your project and creativity. As you can see, it allows you to create different mirrored results from different points. If you have any questions or something you'd like to ask, feel free to write it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.